deal with it? Yacht Club, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yacht Club. This exact car I took last night.
oh. Let's go.
P2.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. Oh, we're stopping.
Let me do a quick cab view. Which one?
20, please.
20, got you. You're welcome. I'm just interested in elevators.
That's all right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, these aren't really the best.
1990s, I think.
There's always like some kind of issue with one of them always.
Mm-hmm.
I know the one beside us is broken.
Oh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always something.
You have a nice day.
You guys too.
These might be the tallest Series 1, newer Series 1.
No, it's not. There's
Oh.
the Seattle has all Series 1 at like 70 something cars.
Oh, okay. Maybe in Florida, though.
No, in Florida and Miami Beach, there's a 44-story Series 1.
Let's get a look at that COP.
Beautiful COP.
Oh, yeah. I gotta take a picture. There we go. I just want to take a quick view, but are those faster or are they all the same speed?
I think they're all the same speed.
Okay, then we can just take this one down. Bobby?
I hear one. I hear one. I hear a jackhammer.
Oh yeah, they're probably working on it. Hopefully they're not modding it. There's a cab again, since I didn't get a good enough cab view.
Even if they do get modded, at least we got the original.
True. At least we filmed it, yeah. Let's see if the ADA compliant. Yeah. There's a lantern. Still pretty slow for 33 floors.
500 feet per minute.
It's too slow. These need to be at least 600.
Yeah, but we just rode 1200 FPS
I know.
for the same amount of floors, actually.
Here in what? There it goes.
This building looks like resemblance to the mark on Brickell.
We got a picture of that.
I think it's exactly.
Alright, that's